Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your FTP accounts quota in cPanel. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe, how to unmute it. So first of all, open your website cPanel and then search for FTP accounts. Once you get it, click on it and scroll down. Then inside of this FTP accounts, here you will find your all the FTP accounts. To change any FTP accounts quota, click on this change quota next to the FTP accounts, and then here you will be able to change your FTP quota. You can select unlimited quota or you can give a specific quota from here. So I'm giving here 1500 megabyte, then click on change quota. So this is how we can change FTP quota in cPanel. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe, how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.